Let's talk about the best way to create course content using ChatGPT and Udemy. Okay, so we go to ChatGPT and let's create a course for Aikido martial arts for beginners today. And ChatGPT gets to work and it does us a good course outline, which is great. And as I've shown you guys before, what you then do is you grab that first course outline point and you give it to ChatGPT again, and then it starts creating even more content based on that. So you're essentially expanding on your content, which is great. Then people say go to somewhere like InVideo or vidIQ that generates videos for you. Go to Pexel if you want high quality videos, and go to Udemy to upload your course. So if you take the course that you just created and stick it onto Udemy, and if you're hoping to make tens of thousands of dollars, I have to caution you here, that's not going to work. If you go to some of the most top selling courses on Udemy, you will see there is a point of difference, and that is called human. So what a lot of people are trying to use ChatGPT is for simply grabbing the information that ChatGPT is putting out and then packaging it in some way and then pushing it out immediately. But this will not guarantee success. The reason for this is what ChatGPT is currently generating is very dry, very academic, very machine-like. Why would you or anyone want to pay $9.99 on Udemy for a course that I can pretty much go to ChatGPT and get, or that I can Google even, because it's very academic, very dry, and it's lacking that human touch. If you follow my YouTube channel, I will be able to give you step by step on exactly how to create a course that's going to stand out from the very generic, very machine content that everyone is pushing out there. And naturally your content will rise to the top because you are doing quite a few things differently to how other people are doing it, and I can show you step by step, and it's all going to be free.